Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create Excel sheets or Google Sheets in Google Drive. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we have to click on this button. Then we can click on Google Drive right here, guys. Just tap on it. Then if we want to create an Excel sheets, we can click on this button. Then click on Google Sheets right here. All right, and we can change the name of the Google Sheets. We can click on this title, and I'm going to name file. And you can edit the Google Sheets as you like, and we can go back to the Google Drive to check it. So just go back to the Google Drive, and I'm going to refresh this Google Drive. All right, guys, and wait, where is the file? So wait, I'm going to refresh it one more time. So, okay, guys, and this is the file that we have just created. And that's how we can create an Excel sheet in Google Drive. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.